Hello and welcome to today's video lesson. And today's video lesson is connected to vocabulary about collocation. So what is collocation? Basically, collocation means things that go together, like salt and pepper, things that always go together. In language, this often means words that go together, and different words go together in different languages. For example, in Italian, we can collocate fare with doccia. We can collocate fare with colazione. If we put these words together, the meaning changes. Fare doesn't necessarily mean to make something. It means to be in water in the shower, or in this case, to eat breakfast. When we want to then transform that into English, we have the problem use do or make, and then can we collocate do and make with these things? Do they mean the same things? In English, we cannot really do a shower, and we can only make a shower if we physically create that in a technical way. What about breakfast? Do breakfast is an expression nowadays to mean meeting someone for breakfast. Make breakfast means to prepare the breakfast physically. So none of these are really the same as fare la doccia or fare colazione in Italian. So what do we need to collocate with shower and breakfast to get that meaning? The answer, of course, is have. And in both these cases, fare takes on a new meaning when it's collocated with doccia or colazione. Have takes on a new meaning when collocated with shower and breakfast. Of course, we also need some grammatical information. We need to know that in Italian we say fare la doccia, fare una doccia, fare la colazione, not fare colazione. In English, we have breakfast, but we don't have shower. We have a shower. So these are things that we need to remember, and they're things that often cause students problems. So how can you notice collocation? Well, one way, of course, is to read. The more you read, the more and notice these things, the more useful it will be for you to remember them. Another way is the dictionary. Many monolingual dictionaries nowadays have this information. In fact, all of them do. Here is an example, which I'm going to make a little bit bigger, of the Longman Dictionary of Contemporary English. This is the CD-ROM that you can use on your computer. If we look up I, for example, as a noun,
I.
It tells me how to pronounce it, and if I go to the phrase bank and click on this, down at the bottom, after all this information, I can find a list of common words used with I, the collocations, prepositions, adjectives, noun and verbs. If we look at the adjectives, some are what we expect: big, black, blue, close eyes, or also naked eye, the public eye. If we want to know more about how to use these, click on the word and then go to the examples bank. If you open the examples bank, you will see all these examples. He enjoyed the cases he worked on being in the public eye. Instead, she began a 57-year voyage almost continuously in the public eye. But her lack of experience at being in the public eye sometimes shows. If we look at this in corpus mode, we can see immediately other things that collocate in the public eye, being in the public eye, and it means being in public, literally being watched by the public. So these are some ways that you can improve your collocation, because knowing which words go together can help you to be a more successful language user. So, have fun. That's it for today.